What if a request should be stopped before your controller even knows it exists? That's exactly where resource filters come in. Today, on KT on Tech, let's understand why resource filters exist and how to use them correctly. First, take a look at this request pipeline. Authorization filters decide who is allowed to access an endpoint, but even after authorization succeeds, not every request should continue. This is where resource filters run. They execute after authorization, but before model binding and action execution. That makes them ideal for checks that decide whether a request should run at all. Now let's look at a real example. Here I've created a required header resource filter. Before the action executes, the filter checks for a required request header. If the header is missing, the filter immediately returns a bad request response. No model binding, no controller logic, no wasted execution. First, I call the API without the required header, and the request is blocked. Next, I add the header in the .http file and send the request again. This time, the filter allows the request to continue and the action runs normally. This pattern is perfect for scenarios like missing required headers, feature flags disabled, request rate limits, or temporarily locked APIs. Follow KT on Tech for more ASP.NET Core internals. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.